I'm having so much fun.
Hello, son, and what is that? Is that an iPad? You know the thing is about to kill you. It's
Mom, it's just an iPad.
Oh, how dare you talk back to me? I'm grounding you because I just don't want you to be on your iPad, even though it's not gonna do anything to you. How dare you talk back to me? No son of mine does that. You're grounded. I hate you. Get out of my house. You're stupid. Ha ha ha. Oh my god, is that a poor kitty with 5 million legs, 15 gazillion arms, and quadrillion amounts of eyes? Oh my god, I need to rescue that guy. Oh my god, is that a puppy with 5 million arms? And oh my god, poor him, he's in the middle of a nuclear war. Oh my god, is that a hamster? He's defending the nuclear war. I'm so proud of this hamster. What mom raised him? Oh my god,